In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a one-product Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a clean, conversion-focused storefront built around a single hero product, ready to showcase what you sell with clarity and confidence. First, head to Shopify and sign into your admin. From your dashboard, open your online store and go to your current theme. Click Customize to enter the theme editor. This is where you control the look and feel of your site, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the preview on the right and the sections list on the left. The goal with a one-product store is simplicity, so everything you do here should highlight your main product and make it effortless to buy. Next, focus on the Hero section at the top of your homepage. This is prime real estate. In the theme editor, locate the Hero or Featured section that supports a product block. Select your single main product so it's front and center. Add a strong headline that speaks to a clear benefit, a short descriptive subheading, and keep your call to action button straightforward, like Buy Now or Add to Cart. Choose a high-quality hero image or banner that frames the product beautifully, and make sure the text has enough contrast to remain readable. Switch to the mobile preview to confirm the layout looks great on smaller screens, since most traffic will come from mobile devices. Now complete the rest of your theme setup and save. Keep the homepage minimal. A brief features row, a concise social proof note if your theme supports it, and consistent branding. Adjust colors and typography so they match your product's vibe and ensure spacing feels open and uncluttered. When it looks clean and deliberate, hit Save to lock in your changes. Finally, use the left-hand admin menu to add your product and shipping details. Open products and create or edit your item. Write a benefit-focused description that answers common objections. Upload crisp images from multiple angles, and set your price. If you track inventory, enter stock levels, and add variants only if they're truly necessary. For shipping, mark it as a physical product, if applicable. Add an accurate weight, and review your shipping settings so customers see correct options and rates at checkout. Accurate weights and destinations help avoid surprises and keep delivery timelines reliable. That's it. With your hero product assigned, your theme polished, and your product and shipping details in place, your one-product Shopify store is streamlined, professional, and built to convert.